Welcome back to Woodchuck Creations. I'm Chuck, and today I'm going to build a desk for my workshop. I'm in the process of making my shop more organized. One of the things I want to do to accomplish this is put a desk in this corner. Now this leads to the finished lounge area section of our shop, and if you haven't seen my shop tour video, go ahead and check that out and you'll see a complete tour of the shop. Because of this door, I can't really use this corner as a workspace or store tools right here, but I can use it as like a shop office space. My goal is to make a desk, and I'm going to use 1-inch steel tubing for the base, and I'm going to use some leftover MDF for the top. To cut these steel tubing, I'm going to use this Evolution miter saw. I haven't used this before. I'm actually borrowing it from a friend to see how it works out, but this is made to cut wood and steel up to 1/4 inch thick, so let's see how it goes. I have the pieces cut for the base, and the next step before I can weld these is I have to clean off the oil and dirt that these things are shipped into the steel yards to keep them from rusting. Pieces for the base are all cleaned off and cut to size. Now I'm going to tack them together, and once it looks like everything's fit correctly, I can make full welds throughout each side. I have the sides welded together, and I'm a novice at this. This is one of the first times I've welded, so go easy on me. But I'm going to clean them up with a flat disc and maybe a grinder, and then I will connect them together with the longer pieces. I have the base all welded together. Now I'm going to take some of this flat bar and I'm going to cut it, drill holes in it, weld it to these top pieces here, and that's how I'm going to attach the top with screws underneath. I have all these little pieces cut. Now I'm going to end up welding them to the base, but first I'm going to drill holes in them so that we can drill screws to attach the top from underneath. I have all these little tabs cut out and drill holes in them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld them to the top of the base at various points, and then I will be able to screw the top from underneath to attach it to the base. So I went ahead and cleaned up the welds off camera. It's not pretty. Like I said, I'm a novice at this. Haven't done it very long. A lot of grinding, a lot of flap disking, but it's sturdy, and now it's time to paint. While the paint dries on the base of the table, I'm going to go ahead and make the top. I'm going to do that by cutting down some leftover MDF from when I made my outfeed table on my table saw, and then I'm going to trim it around the side with some pine. I went ahead and cut these pieces down at the miter saw, and I'm going to attach these at the ends with glue and brad nails, and then I will cut some for the front and back. I have the trim attached to the top, and now I'm just going to go ahead and sand the trim down and then throw a coat of paint on it. Now the paint's all dry for the top, it's time to put everything together. Here it is all finished. I'm really happy with the result. I had a tough time with that welding process. Like I said, I'm a novice. I haven't done a whole lot of it, so thanks for sticking with me and try not to critique too much of it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And here's another video for you to watch over here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.